Hurricane season can be unpredictable, but your preparedness doesn't have to be. Here's what you need to know to protect your family and property. Start with a disaster plan. Know your evacuation routes, have a designated safe room, and ensure every family member knows their role. Pack a hurricane emergency kit. Include water, 1 gallon per person per day, non-perishable food, flashlights, extra batteries, and a first aid kit. Don't forget essential documents in a waterproof bag. Prepare your home. Board up windows, secure outdoor items, and reinforce your roof and doors to minimize storm damage. Stay informed. Keep a weather radio handy and monitor updates from reliable sources like the National Hurricane Center. If evacuation is necessary, act early. Avoid waiting until the last minute to reduce risk and ensure you reach safety in time. Preparation isn't just about survival, it's about peace of mind. Take these steps today to face hurricane season with confidence. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.